Hi everyone, my name's Atticus, the creator of AutoRota, the website to help make managing your rota much easier. So today I'm going to go through how to add shifts to different days, how to move shifts, and how to update the different shift types that you have. So to start with, when your rota is imported, the shift types are automatically kind of determined from the text in the spreadsheet on the website that it imports from. But this can easily be changed along with all of the colours if you'd like to change it to something else. So to start doing that, you can just click this Shift Types button up here, and then you can click on any of these and change it. So if I go to this afternoon one, I can change any of the details if they have come in incorrectly, and I can also pick a different colour if I'm not happy with the colour that's been chosen. So I'm just going to go for one of the colours here. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Maybe this blue, but slightly different. Okay, I'm going to save that, and then all of those shifts will be changed to that new colour. And you can see that it's very quick and easy to do. Now, if I want to add a shift to a different date, then I can click on a date and I can just go here, add shift, and I can choose one of the shifts that is part of this rota. So that's all very easy to do, and you can also change shifts. So let's say this one's changed to an afternoon. It's easy enough to change this to an afternoon shift as well. Now, in terms of marking sickness, this is something that's useful to be able to do, as you'll need to tally this all up at the end of the year for your portfolio. So let's say I was sick for these 3 evenings. I can select these and I can mark them as sick. Equally, you can also mark things as annual leave. So any annual leave that you have already will be recognised as such there. But if you're adding annual leave after the rota has been imported, then you can just select days. You can either change it to that annual leave shift, or you can mark it as leave. Either way. This one's sometimes more useful, as if you do kind of change your leave, then you can see what the underlying shift was, and so on. So the final thing that I'd like to show you in terms of shifts is adding notes. So this is really easy to do. You can just click on a day, you can add a note just here, and you can say whatever you'd like. And there we go. So that's how adding shifts, editing shift types, adding notes, adding sickness and leave works. Stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how you can share your rota with someone else.